Okay, hello people. Welcome to another episode of Game Reviews. Well, actually this isn't another episode, so it's the first episode. So today we're talking about MineCraft, which is a pretty good game. It's really good. So basically, you see there's some footage here. Some footage is going to be playing here. So basically, it's a game where you can first I'm going to talk, there's two modes. There's creative mode and survival mode. I'm going to talk about creative mode first. In creative mode, you can fly around, break any block in one hit, have unlimited things to build out of. In survival mode, this is survival mode, you have limited health. You can die. In creative mode, you can't die, but you can die if you get hurt enough times. You have to use the right tool to mine something, and you can only build with what you have. So yeah, it's a pretty good game. So it's just about building, and you can pretty much build anything. And there's another element of the game, crafting, which it's in the name. Crafting. It's also in the name. The name is MineCraft, and it's crafting is where you can take items you have and put them together to make tools and stuff and useful stuff, and you can also make food. It's really fun. It's a really fun game. Some of the stuff you can build, you can basically build anything. Stuff I have built, houses, I don't know, stuff. You can build stuff. There's another part of the game, redstone is kind of I don't know, you can make machines you pull a lever and a door opens, stuff like that. So overall, it's all really fun, and there's not many things that are bad about it. Okay, and so one of the challenges in survival mode, is at night, you need to build a house before night, because at night, monsters spawn and they, attack you. I've died a few times. You can die if they, attack you enough. Okay, bye. That's all. I don't have any more time. Thanks for watching. Bye.